So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing absolutely fine in this lockdown. So recently I saw this movie Extraction and I really loved the color grade it had. So what is noticeable is that it had a very yellowish tint in the highlights and also in the mid tones, and there is a slight greenish or bluish tint of blue color in the shadows. So today what we are going to do is we are going to recreate similar kind of look and we are going to make a preset of that look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I have imported all the photos which I am going to edit. So I'll start with this photo. It's a photo from Dhobi Ghat, Mumbai. So I'm not going to show you everything, all the adjustments like exposure, contrast and all, because I think so that's not the aim of this video. So the aim of this video is to get to know how to color grade like the movie Extraction or any movie. So we are going to go straight in the HSL color. Here is the HSL color, hue, saturation and luminance. So what we are going to do is we only want oranges and yellows to pop out in the photo. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove the saturation of other colors rest than yellow and oranges. So we'll do it green, blue, little bit, not that much, not we don't have to remove like till -100, but yeah, till -30 or -40. So now we are going to do the main part, which is the split toning, and it's right here, split tone. And what we are going to do is we are going to go to hue maybe 48 and saturation 50. Yeah, hue 50 and saturation 50. Saturation is 49, but it's okay. So now you can see that in the highlights what it's doing is it's adding the yellow color in the highlights, and that's what we want. We want to add yellow in the highlights and the midtones, and in the shadows what we want is we want some teal color. So we are going to add right over here. This looks fine to me, and balance will keep it right over here. Maybe we'll decrease the saturation of this one, and now it looks pretty good. And then we'll adjust the clarity and dehaze accordingly. So now we have to save the preset. We'll go to this tab and then we'll click on these three dots and then we'll create preset and then just name it. We'll name it Extraction. We have done. Now we are saving it. So now after saving the preset, what it will help is that whenever you have to color grade any other photo similar to this tone, you just have to apply the preset and you're done, absolutely done. So let's apply the preset we created just now on this photo and see how the edit is. Not this one, user presets, Extraction. As you can see, it's already very close to the look which we are trying to get, and by adjusting the brightness, contrast and other things, the curves and all, you can easily get to the image which you are looking for. One more image we'll see. We'll just click OK. One more image we'll see. So yeah, user presets, Extraction, it's already there. As you can see, it's looking pretty good right now, and by doing some minor adjustments in the exposure, contrast and clarity, dehaze and all, you can easily get very good results. So that's it for the video guys. I hope you learned something new, and by this technique, by HSL color and split toning, you can achieve any color tone whichever you are looking for your photos. So thanks for watching guys, and hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos.